and you might be searching for Korean resources which are absolutely free. 안녕하세요 친구들, 제 채널을 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. 저는 나나노입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Okay, so I hope you guys are new Korean learners and you might be searching for Korean resources which are absolutely free. So don't worry, this video is actually for you. If you are searching Korean resources that are absolutely 100% free and actually provide real knowledge, real information, so don't worry. Well, I'm thinking to start a series in which I'm going to tell all the grammatical expression that are used to make the real life Korean conversation, the real life Korean sentences, and which will actually help to enhance your vocabulary, your sentence making, and the conversation with the natives. Well, in this video, I'm actually not going to provide you resources, but since I've promised to provide you resources, so I will be providing top 100 Korean verbs, top 100 Korean nouns, and if you want to access them, you can check my description box. I'll be pinning a PDF or a link there. You can go and access the free resources from there. But I feel like now I'm starting a series in which I will be telling all the grammatical expression that I used to build Korean sentences very nicely, and with every Korean grammatical expression series, I will be providing the resources for that particular grammatical expression in my description box, and this will gonna be a really very fun videos, and I will actually try to cover all the grammatical expression starting from the beginner level to the intermediate level, and yeah, that will gonna be so fun. So yeah, I hope you guys will love it, and I hope you guys love this video, and I hope you guys will love the resources that I'm providing you. So well, yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more such content. Comment down below what actually you want to learn, and yeah, thank you for watching this video. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.